There we go. Look, the snow's coming down. This is my driveway. Look at this. Nice, huh? We'll drive up there. See my place. Sweet. Nice to have a Jeep. Especially when you live up in these places. It's my driveway there. Here's my little yard. There's some snow coming down. Digging it, man. Get out and show you around a little. And there's some nice trees that some other bird friends live in. Down there, on that rock. A line of trees coming up the side. This is all reinforced over here. Nobody can attack. The Indians made sure this was a great standoff, and there's boulders, if you look, all around, just ready to roll off all along that edge. And then over here they've been removed, but it's a pretty steep bluff, so yeah, anybody coming from this side, good luck, Chuck. I like this view. Sometimes I just take my tent and just camp out here on this spot, and you can see the the snow coming down. Look at the mountain over there in the distance. It's a little ridge. That's all dusted over in this area too. Top of that ridge. We'll drive up to my driveway here. I have to put on my seatbelt, otherwise you get that stinking bell going off. Okay, fasten yourself in, let's go. I'm about to fill that in. Oh well, guess it's my pond. Lake Robin. There'll be some salamanders in there. Ouch. There's a line of trees. Those are my trees there. There's my driveway back in right there. That's what I'll do. I can also pull up ahead to the end of the driveway there. I'm backing up, but you don't need to look that way. You can stay looking at towards the front. Okay, you gotta look around, huh? Oops, I mean to drop you. Yeah, nice driveway here, landscaped with roadies, little fir trees. Come over here and see, this is a nice view here. Unfortunately, you get to look at logging crap, but it doesn't bother me too much. Over here, They'll grow in after a few hundred years. Anyway, it's not funny. Anyway, we come up. This is a nice other spot around here, all fortified with big boulders and whatnot. Some nice little caves down in here to hide in. If you go right down through there against that wall, caves with a beautiful view of this big valley, basically. Okay, I'm gonna go up close and fine. Digging it? Huh? Digging it yet? Huh? Can you hear the wind? That's my brother, the wind. Tell him, wind. Tell him, brother. Okay, let's go back up this way.